Nagbabayad ang Sunshine Media Network International, SMNI, sa veteranong broadcaster na si Jay Sonza ng 1 milyong piso kada buwan para sa kanyang consultancy services. Sa pagdinig noong Lunes ng House Committee on Legislative Franchises, sinabi ni Sonza na siya ay kumikilos bilang consultant para sa broadcast operations para sa SMNI. Tinanong ni Quezon Rep. David Suarez si Sonza tungkol sa kanyang monetary benefits mula sa SMNI. Ang record ay magsasalita para sa sarili nito. Mr. Chairman, isa sa ilalim namin ang record. Sonza said, sinabi ni Committee Chairperson at Parañaque City Rep. Gus Tambanteng. Dahil may record, sabihin mo lang sa amin. Ito ay isang malaking halaga, Mr. Chairman. 1 milyon. 1 milyon kada buwan, sagot ni Sonza. Ito ang aalamin natin sa video na ito kung...
Mr. Sonza, would you be kind enough to share? Are you receiving any monetary benefits from SMNI?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you be kind enough to detail to us how much you're receiving as consultant?
Cheese.
This is 1 million.
How much?
1 million
Per
per month.
per month?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So, Mr. Chair, one more question. Fortunately, I'm not so versed in the world of television, but can you explain to us yung difference po as Miss Badoy as talent and Miss Badoy as the co-producer? Mr. President of the SMNI.
I would like to defer the question to our consultant.
Yes. If I may, Mr. Chairman.
Wait. Sir, you're acting as what?
I'm acting as the consultant for broadcast operations now.
You are a consultant.
Yes.
So, anything that you say here, you are authorizing. Mr. President.
Yes, Your Honor.
Klaro po tayo dyan, ha? Mamaya sabihin nyo, may disclaimer na naman kayo dun sa consultant, ha? Okay, na hindi yan official position nyo. Sir.
Mr. Chair?
Kayo po. Yes.
Mr. Chair? Just very quickly, so just want to confirm, as a consultant,
Who are you referring to?
the one who volunteered to answer just now, si Mr.
Jay
Sancho ba?
Jay Sonza.
Mr. Sonza.
Hindi
Mr.
mo
Chair,
napapanood yan? Sa ano? Sa
perhaps not my time, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay.
Apologies if I should have known.
Okay.
But, Mr. Chair, maybe ask si Mr. Sonza, maybe confirm that Mr. Sonza, as consultant, has capacity to make management and executive decisions within the SMNI.
Yes, a question. Mr. President, do you have that? Do you substantiate that statement? Na may kapangyarihan po siya kasi ang opinion ho niya importante kung sasangayunan nyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Bibigyan namin ng importansya yan.
Apo.
O,
Yes,
sige
Mr.
po.
Chair.
Okay. Yes.
Thank
Yes
you, Mr.
daw.
Chair.
Yes, Mr. Sonza. Please reply.
Para lang po malinaw sa takbo ng industriya. Ang status ni Miss Badoy and Mr. Celis sa SMNI ay co-production. Yun ang pagkaka-relay sa akin. Ngayon,
Sandali na po. Pakiklaro ho tayo.
Apo.
Yung pagka-relay sa akin, kinasiguraduhin ho natin kasi hindi ho natin pwede. Mr. President, ito ba'y talagang co-production?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Co-production, okay. Mr. Sonza,
Okay.
co-production, okay.
so co-production, marami ho kasing klase ang co-production. Co-production ng gasto sa pagpuproduce ng show, co-production ng hatian sa benta, co-production na ang hawak lang ng network ay yung technical component plus the airtime at yung hawak ng co-producer ay yung content provision.
Okay.
From itong sa kaso nila Mr. Celis at ni Ms. Badoy, ang responsibilidad ng SMNI yung TOC, Technical Operations, at saka yung airtime.
Okay.
Pagkatapos, kung magkakabentahan, siguro magkakahatian, no? Pero wala namang benta sila, so walang hahatiin. Ngayon, yung content, dahil sa interactive yung concept ng kanilang programa, tuloy-tuloy yung broadcast.
Apo.
However, kapag ka merong magkakamali sa broadcast, that is the time we will call their attention and if necessary, we impose the sanction.
Okay.
Okay. Now, doon po sa tanong kanina ni Congressman Toby Chanco, Binago na po natin yung grievance committee. Gumawa na po tayo ng editorial board ngayon at saka ng ombudsman sa loob ng SMNI. So halimbawa, meron pong observation, sila ang MAD. Tapos, magsasubmit sila ng complaint. Yan po ay aasikasuhin ng editorial board. Katulad po ng nangyari kay Mr. Celis ngayon na sana ipapaliwanag ko kanina, nung mangyari po yon, imbestigahan. Kaya lang, naudlot yung investigasyon, gawa ng dito mismo, inamin niya na meron po siyang pagkakamali. That is why sanction have to be imposed. And we have now the official sanction which we can provide the committee with what the actions taken by SMNI insofar as Celis is concerned.
Which is?
Which is suspension.
How long? Bigyan nyo na kami ng kopya,
Opo,
pwede?
meron po.
Can we have a copy, Mr. J. Sonsa?
Opo.
Mr. Sonsa,
Opo.
hindi po ka, ilan taon na ba tumatakbo tong programa ni Eric at saka ni Lorraine?
Mga may 2 years na, no?
Okay, may tanong po ko.
Opo.
Kung yan ay co-production at ang oras, ilaw, ang airtime sa inyo,
Opo.
ang talent sila,
Ang content.
ang
kanila
content
po.
sila,
Opo.
at silang anchor. Co-production
Opo.
Co-production. Doon tayo, ha?
Opo.
Kasi tama kayo, marami iba-iba co-production. Question. 2 years na tumatakbo yung programa.
Mhm.
Walang kita.
Mhm.
Paano po sila?
Kasi nga po ganito, yung konsepto nung...
Paano sila nakakapagtiis ng 2 taon na wala silang benta, pero araw-araw banat sila ng banat?
Yung banat po nila, hindi ko masasagot.
Okay. Hindi, pag sabi nagtatrabaho po sila, yun po ibig ko sabihin.
Ngayon, doon po sa ano...
Nagtatrabaho po sila.
Kung titingnan po ninyo yung konsepto ng pagtatayo ng SMNI, talagang para sa bayan.
Sagutin na po na, paano po nila nagagawa yun? Yun ang tanong ko. Kasi, it does not make sense.
Opo.
Co-prod. Co-prod, pero sa kanila oras, pag sinabi co-prod, hati eh. Oras sa kanila,
Opo.
ilaw, lahat sa inyo, technical, sila talento, at saka content. Yun lang.
Opo.
Okay? Kasi doon nga kayo nagtatago doon sa waiver eh. Alam ko naman kung sa kayo doon pupunta. Pero, sige, doon muna tayo sa issue ng co-fraud. Na pinapalabas nyo, co-fraud to, ergo, hindi namin sagutin kung anong sasabihin nila. Kasi co-fraud eh. Nagtatago kayo. Hindi nyo tinawag black timer, hindi nyo tinawag iba. Ang sinabi nyo, co-fraud. Okay. Benta, hati. 2 years, walang benta.
Sila po, wala po
Wala,
sila.
in short, wala silang income.
Opo.
Hindi po kaya pinapaswerdohan ng SMNI sila. Kaya nabubuhay sila mas walang revenue.
Sweldo, wala akong alam na sweldo.
Hindi.
Kung
Mr. Chair.
honorario,
Hindi. Can we, SMNI, can you please answer? Kung
Mr.
sweldo ba
Chair.
sila sa inyo, hindi?
Mr. Chair, point of clarification.
Yes.
Yes.
The Honorable, yes. Before
Just
that, the Honorable Gomez was wanted to be acknowledged. But before that, sumisweldo ba o hindi? Attorney, sagot lang muna.
Talent fee, Mr. Chair.
Meron.
Talent fee, not
Okay.
sweldo.
100,000.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Isa sagot nyo.
Per our co-production agreement,
Ah.
and the copy of the co-production agreement is already with the committee, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the Honorable Gomez and the Honorable J.J. Suarez.
Mr. Chair, would it be possible that the President answer your questions?
Okay.
Kasi siya yung talaga dapat nakaka-oversee ng lahat ng operations ng network. Hindi mo naman tinatapon sa consultant mo lang yun. Consultant, binibigyan ka lang ng tip kung anong pwede mong gawin. But, your day-to-day operations, it should be the President who should answer you. Yeah, he's the responsible person of that network.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Gomez. The Honorable J.J. Suarez.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Actually, I do share the sentiments of Representative Gomez regarding the who should be the one to answer. With respect lang dito kay Mr. Sonsa, sir, you mentioned earlier that you're serving as consultant for SMNI.
yes sir.
Yes. Sir, when did you begin your consultancy with SMNI?
Just recently, Mr. Chairman. Just recently.
How long?
How long ago, sir?
Mr.
March
Sonsa.
20, yeah.
Kailan po?
To be exact, March 20.
March 20.
Opo.
March 20. Do you have any documents that would attest
Yes.
to your
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
can you please submit this
We
to
will submit it, Mr. Chairman.
Submit it off before the day ends.
We will.
Thank
and
you
as
very much.
consultant, Mr. Sonsak, will you be kind enough to share? Are you receiving any monetary benefits from SMNI?
Are you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And would you be kind enough to detail to us how much you're receiving as consultant?
The record would speak for itself, Mr. Chairman. We will
Which
submit
is-
the record.
Okay. Can you just tell us, since there's a record, just tell us.
It's a sizable amount, Mr. Chairman.
Which is,
This is $1 million.
how much?
$1 million
Per?
per month.
Per month.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So if the documents are there, Mr. Sonsa, can you,
Okay.
Mr. Sonsa, since the documents are there, can you be,
Silence is requested. The Honorable J.J. Suarez
Yes.
has the floor.
I think you referred to some documents that you were looking at, Mr. Sonsa. Can you please furnish the,
Yes, we will,
yes, okay,
Mr.
because
Chairman.
we just wanted to determine whether your consultancy and how long you have been a consultant. Kasi we've been having these hearings for the past 3 weeks at ngayon lang po kayo lumitaw kaya medyo nakakagulat po ang pagdalo ninyo sa komitiba. But nevertheless, maraming salamat po sa mga ibinahagi ninyo.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Ano ang masasabi mo kababayan sa usaping ito? Kung meron kang reaction sa video na ito, i-komento ang iyong pananaw at opinyon sa usaping ito. God bless Philippines. Salamat po.